Cubic sequence. In cubic sequence, difference of the difference of the difference is common. This means the third difference will be the same. When the third difference is common, that sequence is a cubic sequence. When the first difference is common, that is arithmetic sequence. When second is common, that is quadratic sequence. And when third is common, that is a cubic sequence, right? So I made a video on arithmetic and quadratic and geometric as well. So this is the fourth type of sequence which we are making a video on, which is a cubic sequence. Okay. Now, how do we get the nth term, the journal term formula for the cubic sequence? So the journal term formula for the cubic sequence is nth term for the cubic sequence is an cube plus bn square plus cn plus d, right? Now, this is the must remember thing for the cubic sequence. You need to remember these equations, right? So the first equation is 6a is equals to the constant third difference. 12a plus 2b is equals to first term of the second difference. 7a plus 3b plus c is the first term of the first difference, and a plus b plus c plus d would be equals to the first term of the sequence. Right? Okay, now let's do some examples to understand how do we figure out the nth term for the cubic sequence, right? So here we can say example. Let's suppose I have a sequence 4, 14, 40, 88, and 164, and so on. So this is a sequence, right? Now let me figure out what type of sequence is this. Is it arithmetic, cubic, geometric, or quadratic, right? Okay, so let me start with the difference. So the difference between 4 and 14 is 14 minus 4, which is 10. The difference between 14 and 40 is 40 minus 14. Let me do this. 40 minus 14, which is 26. The difference between 40 and 88 is 88 minus 40, which is 48. The difference between 88 and 164 is 164 minus 88, which is 76. So the first difference is not constant. So it means this difference is not, this sequence is not arithmetic sequence. For arithmetic sequence, the first difference must be constant. Since the first difference is not constant, so the sequence is not arithmetic. Let's move to the second difference. Okay. So the second difference, the difference between 10 and 26 is 26 take away 10 is 16. The difference between 26 and 48. 48 minus 26, which is 22. The difference between 76 and 48 is minus 48 is 28. The second difference is not constant, so the sequence is not quadratic sequence. Let's move to the third sequence. If the third sequence is constant, then that sequence is a cubic sequence. Okay, the difference between 16 and 22. 22 minus 16, which is 6. The difference between 22 and 28. So 28 minus 22 is also 6. So the third difference is constant. This is third difference is constant. So when the third difference is constant, it means the sequence, it means the sequence is a cubic sequence, all right? So for the cubic sequence, its journal term formula for the cubic sequence is this. But before doing that, we must know what is A, what is B, what is C, what is D. How do we get these values? So we must remember these four equations. Let me start with the first equation, which is 6A is equals to constant third difference, okay? 6a is equals to the constant third difference, which is equals to 6. So from here you will get the value of a. So a should be equals to 1. So I got the value of a. All right. Now the second equation says 12a plus 2b is first term of the second difference. 12a plus 2b. Okay. 12a plus 2b, this is the first term of the second difference, right? This is the first term of the second difference. Okay, that is equals to 16. Put that equals to 16. Plug the value of a, because 6 over 6 is just 1, right? So a value is just 1. So 12 plus 2b, this is equals to 16. So 2b is equals to 16. Take away 12. So 2b from 16 take away 12 is just 4, and the b value is 4 divided by 2, which is equals to 2. So from here you will get the b value, which is equals to 2. All right. Now let me move to the third equation, which is 7a plus 3b plus c is the first term of the first difference. This is the first term of the first difference, 10. 7a plus 3b plus c is equals to 10. Okay, 7a plus 3b plus c is equals to 10. Just plug the value of a and b. So a is 1, so just 7, plus 3b is 2, plus c, which is equals to 10. So 7 times 1 is 7, 3 times 2 is 6, plus c is equals to 10. 6 plus 7 is 13, plus c, this is equals to 10. To get c, we can say 10 and shift the 13 on the other side, minus 13. So this is negative 3. So from here you will get the c value, which is minus 3. So we got the c as well, minus 3, right? All right, now the last equation, a plus b plus c plus d, should be equals to the first term of the sequence, which is equals to 4. Okay, now here we can say a plus b plus c plus d. This is equals to 4. So a value is 1, b value we have done is 2, c value is negative 3. We need to solve for d, which is equals to 4. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 minus 3 plus d is equals to 4. So positive 3, negative 3's cancel out. So d is equals to 4. So we got the d as well. Okay, now we have all 4 unknowns, because in cubic sequence we have 4 unknowns, a, b, c, d. So we need 4 equations to get those unknowns. Now we can write down the journal term formula for the cubic sequence is, here we can say the nth term, that is an is equals to an cube plus bn square plus cn plus d. Okay, now the nth term formula should be a value is 1, so n cube, b value is 2, sorry, let me double check, b is 2, c is minus 3, right? 2n square minus 3 times n, and d value is 4. So this is the nth term formula for the above cubic sequence. This sequence 4, 14, 40, 88, and 164. Now let me do another exam style question. Find the nth term of the sequence 8, 15, 34, 71, 172. Right. We need to figure out its nth term. Again, we need to figure out its differences. First difference, second difference, and third difference. Right. So the first difference between 8 and 15, 15 and 34, 34 and 71, 71 and 132. Okay. Let me start doing it. 8 and 15. So 15 take away 8 is 7. Next is 34 and 15, 19. 71 minus 34. 71 minus 34 is 37. 132 and 71. 132 minus 71 is 61. First difference is not constant. Move to the second difference. Okay. 7 and 19. So 19 minus 7, that is 12. Okay. The next is 19 and 37. So 37 minus 19 is 18. 37 and 61, which is 61 minus 37, which is 24. The second difference is not constant. Move to the third difference, the difference between 12 and 18, 18 and 24. So 18 minus 12 is 6. 24 minus 18 is also 6. So the third difference is constant. It means first, second, and third difference, right? So that sequence is a cubic sequence. When the sequence is a cubic sequence, its nth term formula is an cube plus bn square plus cn plus d. Now, how do we get a, b, c, and d? To get these values, we need 4 equations, right? So you need to remember these equations, then you can easily get the nth term for the cubic sequence. Otherwise, it is really hard, okay? So 6a should be equals to the first equation. To get a, then to get b, then to get c, and then to get d, right? To solve for a, use the equation 6a equals to the constant third difference. Okay, the first equation is 6a is equals to the constant third difference, which is equals to 6. If 6a equals to 6, cancel it out and you will get a is equals to 1. Okay. Second equation, to get the b value, the second equation is 12a plus 2b is the first term of the second difference. 12a plus 2b. 12a plus 2b, this is equals to the first term of your second difference. This is my second difference and the first term is 12. All right. Put your a value here. So 12 times 1 plus 2b is equals to 12. This is 12 plus 2b is equals to 12, and shift the 12 on the other side. So 2b is equals to 12 and shift this 12 minus 12. So it is cancelled out. We have 0. To get b, you can say 0 divided by 2, and from here we will get b value is 0. Anything divided by 0 divided anything is always equals to 0, right? Okay, now moving to the third equation for the unknown c. We can say 7a plus 3b plus c is the first term of the first difference. 7a plus 3b plus c. 7a plus 3b plus c, this is the first term of the first difference. Okay, first term of the first difference is 7. Okay, that is equals to 7. So 7a value is 1 plus 3, b value is 0 plus c, this is equals to 7. 7 times 1 is 7, this is equals to 0, this is c, and this is 7. So c is 7 and shift this 7 on the other side, minus 7, so it is cancelled out. We have just 0. So c is also equals to 0. Okay. Now the fourth unknown, the fourth equation is really easy. Add all the 4 unknowns and put this equals to the first term of the sequence, right? A plus b plus c plus d should be the first term of the sequence. First term of the sequence is 8. Put them equals to 8. Okay. Now a value is 1, b and c are 0. All right, let me put this equals to 1, b is 0, c is 0, and you have d, and that is 8. So d should be equals to 8, take away 1. So d is equals to 7. From here you will get the d value as well. Sorry. Okay. Now we have the nth term. For the nth term, we can say an is equals to an cube. A is 1 times n cube. B is 0n square, C is 0n, and D is 7. So what is the nth term formula? So an is equals to n cube plus 7. This is the nth term for the above cubic sequence, right? I hope you understand how to get the nth term for the cubic sequence. So it is really, really easy. But the main thing in the cubic sequence is to remember only one formula, these 4 formulas, right? 6a equals to the third constant difference, and 12a plus 2b is the first term of the second difference, 7a plus 3b plus c is the first term of the first difference, and a plus b plus c plus d should be the first term of the sequence. When you memorize all these four equations, you can easily get the nth term for the cubic sequence, right? So you need to remember this, and the cubic sequence questions are really easy for you, right? I hope you understand it. If you still have any queries, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Take care.